Hello, my name is Kevin and welcome to kevinthetechguy.ca. In this quick tip video, I'm going to show you how to change the download settings in Firefox. By default, when you download a file in Firefox, it will automatically save it to your downloads folder, and it tends to remember the last place that you downloaded a file to, but not always. You may not always want to download a file to that particular folder, depending on the type of file you are downloading and want to use. And that can be quite annoying and then can't find the file. To ensure Firefox asks you every single time, here's what you need to do. In the Tools menu, click on Settings. If you do not see a Tools menu, as the menus at the top are not there by default, you can enable them by right-clicking on an empty area above the address bar and left-clicking on Menu Bar, which effectively puts a little check mark there. On the General tab of Settings, scroll down to Files and Applications, and ensure Always Ask Where to Save Files has a check mark in it. You can see an example of what that looks like at the top of this blog post. Now, let's take a look at what I'm talking about. Alright, so let's show you where you can tell Firefox that you want to have the choice of where you download files to. So at the upper left-hand corner, you can see a bunch of menu options: File, Edit, View, History, Bookmarks, Tools, and Help. If those items are not there, if those menus aren't there, you can right-click on an open area above the tabs, and then left-click on Menu Bar to put a check mark there. So we'll left-click on Tools, then we'll go to Settings, and then we'll scroll down to this is the General tab we're on. That's by default the first thing you'll see when you open this, when you open Settings. Files and Applications. Under Downloads, it says Save Files To, and Downloads is the default location where files will download to. And you want to make sure there's a check mark beside Always Ask Where to Save Files, so it'll do just that. Because by default, Firefox will automatically download the files, as it says here, to the Downloads folder. It won't even give you the choice, and that's where you can find it. If you want the choice, and perhaps as a power user or just as a regular user, you want to have that choice, depending on the type of file that you're downloading at any given time, you can change these options here. So let's show you where the Downloads folder is. I'm sure you know, but I'm going to cover it. So we'll click on the folder icon by the Start menu, the yellow folder icon. Under Quick Access on the left, there's Downloads. We'll click on that, and here are all the files I've downloaded since I did a fresh install of Windows on this computer. And we can double-click on any one of them, or the one that you want, if it's a program you want to install or an image you want to open or what have you. Here's where you'll find it, and here's how you get there. I hope this helps you as you endeavor to customize Windows 10 or even 11 to your needs. I'll be doing many more quick tip videos and blog posts like this, so be sure to check out kevinthetechguy.ca, and please like, subscribe, and hit the bell on YouTube to let me know if you want to see more content like this or not. Thanks for watching and reading, and we'll see you next time.